Hello, beautiful family. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm not alone today. I'm with my daughter. She would like to share with you this delicious cookies recipe. Since the festive season are approaching, this is a very good recipe that you can do for your whole family, for your guests. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello guys, my name is Italy Jomo and I'm going to be sharing with you how to make cookies at home. So the ingredients are 1 egg, 10 centiliters of oil, 9 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Now I'm first gonna mix it before I add the flour so it's easier to mix everything together. To this consistency, that's when you should add your flour. The quantity of the flour is 150 grams.
And check something.
Now we're gonna stir. Now we're gonna add a bit more flour because it's not full of the dough. When the dough is this consistency, you can go in with your hands.
Okay.
This is how your dough should look like before you roll it. In the clean surface, I will put some flour. Now I'm going to cut the dough in half. Now I'm going to roll the dough. You're going to spray this spray and cook on your tray so then the cookies doesn't stick. Now we're going to make the shape of our cookies with the cookie cutter. I'm cutting my dough into the shape of my cookie, I'm going to add some sprinkles. I'm putting sprinkles on my cookies. I'm going to put it in the oven from 15 to 20 minutes. This cookies came out so delicious. Since Christmas is approaching, this is a very good recipe that you can make for your family or for guests. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Merci d'être arrivé jusqu'au terme de cette vidéo. Si elle vous a plu, n'oubliez pas de liker, de partager et surtout, pour ceux qui ne sont pas encore abonnés, please, faites-le. Merci et retrouvons-nous prochainement pour une nouvelle vidéo. Bye bye!